YouTube, welcome back to another video. My name is Motion FX. Let me stop fucking around. YouTube, welcome back to another fucking video, man. My name is Motion FX, and today we're just gonna be having a little yap session with the little YouTube. You know what I'm saying? I haven't fucked with you guys in a little minute. You know what I'm saying? And we're gonna yap right now. You know what I'm saying? We're just gonna yap about shit. I don't know what the fuck, but we're gonna yap. You feel me? Hold on, there we go. All right, so just want to came on here, have a little yap session with you guys. You know what I'm saying? So recently, past 2 weeks, the markets haven't been the best. Haven't been getting those A+ setups like what I want to see, and that is completely fine. You know what I'm saying? We are profitable, we are patient, we are disciplined. We know what to do when these things happen. So we're just going to talk about why I didn't take any trades for the past 2 weeks, right? Now, like I said, price action has been horrendous, literally ass, dog cheeks. You know what I'm saying? And haven't been getting any setups that I like. For you beginner traders who don't know what I trade or how I trade support and resistance breakouts, right? Pretty simple. Something like the Mamba FX strategy, you know what I'm saying? If you know what that is. But pretty simple, support, resistance, breakout at 9:30, take the trade, and we're done, right? Simple. So haven't been getting any clear setups lately, and that's obviously because Donald Trump and the tariffs he's been putting on China. And like I said, that is not really affecting me at all. You know what I'm saying? Most beginner traders who just got into the game, they're probably getting fucked right now. But I was once there, you know what I'm saying? And I was once getting my ass for. We're gonna just skip past that like I didn't say that, right? So everybody been through that, and I just want to talk about it. You know what I'm saying? I want to talk about it, and I just want to talk about what you should do in these type of situations, right? So now, obviously, as traders, right, we're obviously gonna take losses. You know what I'm saying? It's just a part of the trading thing. Like that's just how it works. You know what I'm saying? Take losses, but every day is not gonna be a losing day, and every day is not gonna be a W day. Now, this is all up to you to just know what works best for you. You know what I'm saying? So this is why a lot of traders say to just journal your trades, back test, and just journal. Write down why you entered a trade. You know what I'm saying? Why you lost the trade, what you did, your emotions, all that stuff. You want to journal it because at the end of the day, like as a beginner trader, at the end of the day, when you journal every single trade you take, you can go back at it and look at it like data, right? So for example, as a company, right? Let's say we're Walmart, right? As Walmart, right? You got to keep data of what's working. You know what I'm saying? You got to keep data of what's getting you the most sales and what's not. So you can eliminate what's not getting you sales and increase your sales, right? Same thing with trading. You want to take data every time you take a trade, every time you back test, you want to write it down, right? So you can keep that data and you can go back and see what works for you, what works best, what you normally win, what time, what day, what types of setups, you know what I'm saying? Like it all plays a part, bro. It all plays a part. Now, once you find out what exactly what works best for you, once you find out your edge, bro, it's all up to you to only trade those specific setups, right? Narrow it down and only trade those specific setups. That's literally all it is to becoming profitable. Risk management, right? So after you find a profitable strategy, right, whether you're trading ICTs or support and resistance, right? Once you find that profitable strategy that you like actually learned and actually like mastered it, then it's up to you to find your edge. You know what I'm saying? Journal your trades, right? Journal every single trade you take. Go back, look at your journal, see what works, see what doesn't work, narrow it down so you can get a perfect foundation, right? And then after that, it's just all up to you to manage risk and just be patient and disciplined. Now, being patient, right? Only taking those A+ setups, right? Only taking the setups that you've seen in your journal that works, right? Only taking the setup that you've put together, all together, only taking those types of setups, right? You want to only take those setups. Those are the A+ setups. And after that, you just want to have patience. You want to only, after that, you just want to have discipline, right? What do I mean? Following your rules, right? Following the strategy, only trading that strategy. Even when you're having a red week, a red month, bro, like, stick to that one strategy, bro. You know what I'm saying? You got to be disciplined. You're not gonna win a trade every single fucking day. You're not gonna get a good setup every single day, right? It's all up to you to just be disciplined. Stick to that strategy, right? Stick to your rules, right? 2 trades per day, risk this specific percentage, only trading your specific strategy. Like, bro, it's literally, trading is so fucking simple, bro. I feel like a lot of people just over like complicate it for no fucking reason, bro. You know what I'm saying? Like, you literally just gotta find a strategy, master the strategy, journal, narrow it down so you know what perfectly works for you. Once you find that, it's just up to you only taking those setups with your risk management, right? We'll get into risk management after, but with your risk management, and bro, you're profitable. Just be consistent and you're good. Now, for the beginner traders, risk management. Risk management is pretty easy. You know what I'm saying? You just want to make sure you're risking a small amount of money or an amount of money that you're comfortable with losing. And you just want to make sure you're making more every single time than how much you're risking, right? So, for example, if I'm risking $250, right, I want to make sure I'm at least making $500 profit or more, right? I don't want to be just making $250, right? Because if I lose a trade, I just lost that $250, right? But if I'm risking $250 and I'm aiming for $500, that would be a 1 to 2 risk to reward, right? So that would make back the $250 that I just lost, plus I would have an extra $250 on top of that, right? That makes any sense. So that's basically just risk management, right? Risk a small amount, or risk whatever you're comfortable with risking, whatever you're comfortable with losing, and make sure you're at least 2x in it, right? 2x, 3x, right? Just has to be more than a fucking 1x, bro, because it just doesn't make any sense. Because if you take 2 losses in a row and, you know what I'm saying, you got to take 2 trades to make back those 2 losses, then you're never going to be fucking profitable, right? Always take, I mean, there's traders out there who go for 1-to-1 RR trades, but I mean, me personally, bro, the lowest RR is just a 2 RR, bro. Like 2x, 3x, and more. I don't really aim for one, like a 1 RR. Like, I don't know. But everybody's different. You know what I'm saying? Every strategy is different. Everything, some things work best for other people than you, right? So, yeah, bro. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this little yap session, bro. Trading is so fucking easy. Just stop over, like, Stop over complicating fucking trading, right? That's all it is, bro. Just fucking find a strategy. You know what I'm saying? Fucking break it down into simple pieces. Put that strategy together to be your specific edge. Risk fucking management. You know what I'm saying? And then it's all up to you to just be patient for the A+ setups and follow your fucking rules and be disciplined. If you can do that shit consistently, I guarantee you, bro, if you're starting trading now, you can literally become profitable in fucking 2-3 months, bro. Like, literally. If you can just do exactly what I just fucking said to you, you will literally become profitable, bro, in less than probably 3 months, bro. Like, I wish I knew all this shit when I first started trading. You know what I'm saying? If I knew all this shit when I first started trading, I would have been profitable in probably like a month, bro, literally. But I'm grateful that I went through all the bullshit, you know what I'm saying? Because all the bullshit is what taught me how to be profitable, right? So yeah, if you guys want to learn how to trade, bro, click the link in the description below. Free trading course. It's completely free, bro. Free, literally. No fucking money. Free. You know what I'm saying? We got the free trading course. Check that shit out if you want to learn from A to Z how to become profitable, or even the strategy I trade on a daily basis. Just click the link in the description below. And it will also have a link to the live trading sessions with me every single day from Monday through Friday. And it will have the one-on-one mentorship if you want me to teach you personally how to become profitable. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I'm going to catch y'all boys in the next one.